Have a ball updo. Now this is a fairly straightforward tutorial. You're going to want to take all of that hair and make a top high ponytail and another ponytail underneath it. And you can see from that picture that the top ponytail gets split into two. So you end up with 3 sections. Separate the top ponytail in two, as I said, and using 2-inch balls, you're going to put the ball in near the very first elastic, cover the ball with hair, and add another elastic to hold it in. Repeat with the balls. Start wrapping the sections into a nice shape and pin near the main elastics. Where there are 2 balls resting together, you can use a hairpin to crunch right through those balls. Arrange the hair in any way you like, and you can use a hairpin with anything hot glued to it and stick it right in the ball. You can add flying butterflies, bumblebees, flowers. You can add ribbon to the elastics before you even start. There are so many variations that you can try. If your hair is not long enough, use smaller balls, use less balls. You can even alter the shape of the balls. So, have a ball, and thanks for watching.